Maddie eating canned spinach and loving it. Mmm. Right, kid? Bite.
Mmm. Is it yummy, Maddie?
Oh, bite. Mmm. See? Canned leaf spinach.
Oh, your hand's in the way.
Ready for it? Here it comes. Mmm.
Big bite.
Big girl, you're dripping down the front of you. Oh, it's a bit much for you, huh? How about this? What? Ready? Mmm. Yes. She does the same thing for asparagus and zucchini. Kiddo. Got spinach juices running in the front of you.